Today we are making something fresh, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. Lemon butter garlic fish. It's simple, elegant, and packed with bright, zesty flavors. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe: 300 grams of fish, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 lemons, 6 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, a pinch of chili flakes, a handful of fresh parsley, olive oil for drizzling. First, let's prep our fish. Pat dry the fish with a paper towel. This helps get that perfect sear. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. While the skillet heats up, let's talk about the star of the show, the wood-fired oven. It's added a beautiful smoky flavor to the dish, but don't worry if you don't have one. A regular stovetop works just fine. Once the skillet is hot, add a drizzle of olive oil and carefully place fish cuts skin side down. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is crispy and golden. Then flip them over and cook for another 2 minutes. We want the fish to be just cooked through, flaky and tender. While the fish is cooking, let's make our lemon butter garlic sauce. In a small saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Add the lemon zest and lemon juice. Add the chopped garlic, a pinch of chili flakes, pepper. Stir everything together and let it simmer for 1 minute. Once the fish is done, transfer it to a plate and pour that gorgeous lemon butter garlic sauce all over it. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, lemon butter garlic fish. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you next time in the kitchen.